Hi, everyone. Welcome to Bond Bytes, the daily bond market highlights from INRBonds. Good day for India as Indian women team beat Australia to get in the hockey to reach semifinals. And that's pretty exciting for all of us here, including us in the boring bond markets. Bond markets have been boring. The 10-year bond yield has been flat. The rupee slightly higher, all waiting for RBI policy that is not really going to say much apart from the worries of inflation. And what we are seeing is a lot of floaters being issued. In our last bond bites, we covered the floater of Tata Cleantech. And in our weekly search for yields newsletter, we had talked about what is floater and how to look at it. So what does floater signify? Floater signify that you have inflation ahead because investors are seeking hedge against inflation as they expect inflation to drive interest rates higher. So we saw Power Finance Corporation and Tata Capital come out with floating rate issues. As far as bank lending goes, they are still lending at low single digit levels, 6.5% is the credit growth. And the deposit growth has been higher. So what is a deposit? All the money you put into banks is going in deposit. And despite such low deposit rates, investors are still putting money in banks with having nothing else to do with their money, given that so much of rise in prices. And as we see in the chart today, in the chart of the commodity index, all the metal prices have risen substantially, and RBI clearly has to keep a watch on this index. Every indication, including corporate results of metals and mining companies, as well as the Baltic dry index, all these show that prices are shooting up, and there is a lot of optimism amongst the producers of metal products, steel especially, and others. And this does definitely signify inflation, and this is also eating into manufacturing. For example, Maruti had a very large impact through raw material costs. So clearly, the outlook for interest rates is weak at the investor level. And yeah, the only thing that is exciting for bond investors, at least for all Indians right now, is the semifinals of the hockey. Thanks for watching, everyone. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit INRBonds. Check out all the bonds on offer and take informed investment decisions on bonds where you can get better than fixed deposit rates. INRBonds offers you a curated list of bonds, including giving you the full information of bonds and our proprietary risk model as well. Thank you very much.